Hey there. Have you ever wondered how some people just seem to have this magnetic charm? It's like no matter where they go, people are just drawn to them. Well, today, I'm going to let you in on a secret psychological hack to make people obsessed with you. And trust me, it's simpler than you think. So, what's the big secret? It's all about making people feel genuinely valued. Yep, that's right. When you make someone feel like they truly matter, you create a strong emotional connection, and emotional connections are the foundation of obsession. Now, how do you do that? Let's break it down into 3 actionable steps. Step 1, active listening. This means really paying attention to what the other person is saying. Put away your phone, maintain eye contact, and nod to show you're engaged. Reflect back what they've said to show you're following along. For example, if they're talking about a recent trip, you could say, "That sounds incredible. So, what was your favorite part of the journey?" This shows that you're genuinely interested and care about their experiences. Step 2, compliment sincerely. Notice something specific about the person and give them an authentic compliment. Avoid generic phrases like "you're great." Instead, say something like, "I really admire how you handled that situation with such grace," or "Your creativity always impresses me." Specific compliments show that you're paying attention and appreciating their unique qualities. Step 3, be vulnerable. Share something personal about yourself. It doesn't have to be your deepest, darkest secret, but opening up about your own experiences or feelings can build a deeper connection. For instance, you might say, "I've been feeling a bit overwhelmed at work lately, but I'm working on finding a better balance." This invites the other person to reciprocate and share more about themselves, creating a sense of mutual trust and understanding. By actively listening, complimenting sincerely, and being vulnerable, you're making people feel valued and understood. And guess what? That's exactly what makes them gravitate towards you. And they'll remember how you made them feel, and they'll want to be around you more and more. So go ahead and try these tips in your next conversation. You might be surprised at how quickly people become obsessed with you in the best possible way, of course. Alright, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more self-improvement tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.